I brought this funny new toy. It's got crinkles in it. I don't know if they're into toys yet, but is that funny? I thought it was hilarious. And it was on clearance. Whoa. Somebody's got it. You gonna hide that? Hi. Hello. Hi. Aw. Oh, kisses. Mama kisses. What's everybody doing? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Little mouth. Hi. Hi, great Grandpa Call twin. That's what you are. Look at it. Oh, that was cute. Hi. 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 Who's this? Sorry, it's a little blurry. I'm in a tight quarters right now. Hi. Alright, well, that's that. We're in the den. It's tight. We gotta get a new blankies in here and yeah, make it nice and fresh and so clean again. Okay? Who's right in between my legs? Oh, you guys are heavy. Oh my goodness. There we go, Mama. Here, I'll move over here. Oh yeah, it's not too bad in here. I mean, you guys probably think it looks great because it's got this straw and the dirt. Hey. Hey, little one. Little Miss Beady Eyes. Oh, look at that little tongue of puppy breath. Puppy breath. Hi. Hi. Oh, what's going on over there? Hi. Alright, this is Mama Wolf saying Wolf Pack. Ow!